Hi, my name's Anthony Askew. Welcome to this how-to video on improving reporting and minimizing failures with CA iDash. Extra Technology has many years' experience working with CA Technology's workload automation with AutoSys CA7 and D series, and we are their preferred automation partner.
iDash is CA Technology's product of choice to provide predictive analytics and enhanced reporting to users of AutoSys and CA7. It has been around for a number of years, but has been seriously enhanced since CA Technologies acquired it a couple of years ago. Why do you need iDash? Well, most users of AutoSys and CA7 have lots of processes and procedures to identify problems such as alarms or failures, and also need sophisticated reports showing which jobs are running too long or too late and missing deadlines. It's just that these resources typically have their limitations, and that's where iDash comes in. For example, AutoSys generates an alert when a deadline is missed and you have a problem. But iDash allows you to define and monitor SLAs or deadlines, and, courtesy of its predictive analytics capabilities, iDash can raise the alarm when there is a danger of a missed SLA before the problem occurs. In addition, iDash has a repository of historical data and allows users to define and produce sophisticated reports without recourse to manual effort, scripts, or database queries. How does it do this? Let's take a look.
When you first log into iDash, of course, you'll see this view. This is the dashboard view. You'll get this chart, this kind of donut, as we like to call it, which will show you each of your SLAs that you've defined within iDash and the status of them, and in fact the count of the status of each SLA by status, I should say. Okay, and also of course there's a little table down the side here that will show you in tabular format what you can see in the donut. Okay, so there are within iDash, as I said, within iDash an SLA is a deadline, and there are 5 statuses that an SLA can have. Okay, 3 that are in the past, and 2 that are in the past, beg your pardon, and 3 that are in the future. So the 2 statuses for an SLA in the past are met. A met SLA is good. That means typically I had a deadline whereby this chunk of work had to finish by 6 o'clock and it met the deadline. That's good. And missed. Missed is the opposite of met. Missed is bad. Missed means you reached your deadline. And then the future ones, future SLA statuses that are being forecast are on time. Okay, SLA on time. I have 3 SLAs defined that are on time. What does that mean? That means I've got 3 SLAs, 3 deadlines defined, and iDash predicting that I'm going to meet those deadlines. Great. Okay, I have 1 in red, which is a predicted miss. Okay, this means I have a deadline defined for a job, and iDash is predicting that I'm not going to meet my deadline. Oh dear. And if you just hover across to the right here, you will also see in the alert section of the interface that I have a matching alert, okay, that's come from the predicted miss SLA. So iDash has decided I'm going to miss my deadline and generated an alert. Within the SLA list, I can pull out a lot of information. Okay, let's have a look at this one again. I can also jump immediately to the SLA definition if I wish, or I can jump straight to the job, the actual AutoSys job that belongs to this SLA. And again, there's lots and lots of information available in here. So what I'm going to do quickly now, okay, is jump into this SLA. This is the one that has 4 jobs in a row. Now clearly, if my SLA is defined against the 4th job, let's try and make this trip an alert out. What we should do here then, what would you expect to happen if by accident somebody placed one of these predecessor jobs, job 1, 2, or 3, on hold? Well, the first thing that would happen is the job that's on hold would never run, and the next thing that would happen, of course, is that the SLA would be breached. Let's accidentally place this job on hold and wait for WCC to do its magic and send the event back to AutoSys. We can see already, okay, that within this chain, this job has been placed on hold, which in AutoSys terms means none of this is going to run, basically, okay? And because my SLA is defined on job 4, that means I'm never going to meet my SLA. So if I pop across back to iDash, already you can see within this view of this SLA that the status has changed. iDash is already saying now, oh dear, you're going to miss it. And within the flow view, it's showing me that this job here is on hold. Okay, so straight away I've got a view telling me what the problem is. And over here, of course, I've got the alert, the accompanying alert. You will notice that this total has gone from 1 to 2. And I have an accompanying alert telling me that there's a problem. Now, if within your AutoSys environment, you're accustomed to AutoSys alarms and having those pushed out, trapped, sent somewhere, okay, iDash alarms take exactly the same route. I will show you the reporting as well and how easy it is to generate a report. Let's quickly create a job run report. Okay, let's suppose I wanted to create some reports. I'll give this report a name and I'll include all the jobs in the instance, and I only want jobs that hit success, okay, within the past 2 days. That's really all I need to do, okay? I create my report definition, it's saved. And then if I want to manually generate a report, I can simply click on download and choose the format of the report I want. Let me choose that one. Hopefully you can see this isn't too quick. Here's my job run report I've generated. That's how easy it is to generate a job run report, to define and generate a report. Okay, there are a bunch of reports available. So there are event reports, there are SLA reports, there are auto track reports that will show you who's done what. Here's a weekly audit report showing me all the send events that people have done. Well, I've done, of course, on the system. In addition, if you'd like to see things like AutoSys latency statistics, those can be easily captured and perhaps pushed forward to a reporting tool. And one of the canned PDFs showing me all the alarms I've got and the status of them.
So there you have a flavour of the main functionality of CA iDash, particularly in the areas of SLA management and reporting.
Thanks for your time and interest. I hope we provided you with useful information on how to make your CA workload automation AutoSys or CA7 environments even more productive and efficient.
Meanwhile, if there's any more information you'd like, please call us or email us using the details on the screen.